This is Teacher Harriet and welcome to our online class. So our subject for today is about math. So we're going to use your Mathematics 1A color pink book na ka, okay? So let's start. We are going to have our topic for today about addition and subtraction. And we are also going to learn how to find the missing number. Okay? So let's start. Let's read your vocabulary for today. We read this one as vocabulary. Vocabulary. Vocabulary number one, we have addition. Addition. Number two, we have subtraction. Subtraction. Number three, relationship. Relationship. Next, number four, we have whole. Whole. Number five, we have part. Part. Okay, so I've looked for some Thai translation about our vocabulary for today. I hope this could help you understand our vocabulary for today. Okay, so let's continue with number six. We have all, all together. All together. Hmm? Number seven, we have left. Left. We have here letter F, so we need to read letter F naka. Okay, so left. Left. Next, number eight, we have missing. 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 Number nine, we have remove. Remove. Okay. Number 10, we have unknown. Unknown. This one, letter K here, this one. This is silent letter, meaning we are not going to read letter K. So we're just going to read un and then known. Unknown. Okay, known. Here, we have here Pasatay words. I hope this could help you naka, okay? So let's start. Let's go to your book, page 92. 92, 9 and 2 of your mathematics book. Page 92. In here, I'm going to explain the addition and subtraction for just a short of discussion. Naka, okay? So we have here the word addition. Addition meaning we are going to add them all together. Okay, so the key word for addition is all together. Okay, let's read. The keyword for addition, so you will know if you're going to add, we have the word all together. All together. Okay, so we add each part in number bond. So this is your number bond. Let's take a look at closer. Okay, closer. Let's see. So we have here a bond. Okay, so it says here we need to add each part. So this is parts. Okay, these are the parts. We have part A, part B. And then the blue one is the whole number. Okay, it's the whole number. So how do we get? First, you need to get the other part. We have here 4. This one, this strawberry 4. And then we have 7 plus 3. This one, okay, 3 bananas. Okay, so if you put them together again, what will we do? You're going to add, damay? So 4 plus 3 equals 7. Okay, you're going to put all the bananas and the strawberries all together. So 4 plus 3 equals 7. Okay, all together. Next, we have subtraction. Okay, how do we read this one? Subtraction. Subtraction. So first, we're going to remove and count what is left. Okay, so our keyword for subtraction is the word left. L-E-F-T. Left. We're going to remove something and then we're going to count what is left. That is subtraction. Naka. Then next, how do we get if we are in number bands? First, we need to minus the whole and one side of the part in number bands. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. We have here number band again. Okay, so A, B, and the whole number. Part A, this one be part A, and part B, and then this one is the whole number. Okay, so how do we get that again? It says there we need to minus this part and this whole number. So we're going to get the symbol minus, and then we're going to minus 7 minus 4 equals 3. Okay, there you go. We've got the other side of the number band. We need to minus 7 to 4 so we can get 3. Or we can also do like this. We can minus 7 to 3 so we'll get 4. Easy, Daimai. Okay, so next, let's go page 93. How do we get this one? Look at the toys, fill in the numbers. Write a family of 4 addition and subtraction facts. Okay, so for solving problem, we have 2 addition and 2 subtraction. So first, what are we going to do? Let's fill in first the other part, the number band. So we're going to count the other toy. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So there are 5 toy airplanes. So we're going to write 5 in the circle. And then, how do we get the whole number? We need to add 2 and 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. This one. Okay. 2 plus 5 equals 7. We're going to write it here. There you go. Okay, how about the other addition? Okay, the other addition, we need to just exchange the number. First, we need to write 5 first and then the number 2. So 5 plus 2 is same, 7. Okay. And then how about subtraction? What if the last number is missing? We're just going to add them. Naka. So 7 minus 5 equals 2. Okay, next. How about the other one? Okay, how about this one? How do we get the other number? How do we get the third number? We are going to minus 2. We're going to write it here. So, there you go. 7 minus 2 equals 5. We'll get the answer 5. Kademai, easy. Okay, next. Page 94. How do we get this one? Page 94. We have here, oops, look at each picture. Write a family of 4 addition and subtraction. Oh, same a while ago, naka. Okay, so the given number here or the given picture is a flower. So what are we going to do? We're going to count all first the flower and write it on the last box. So how do we do that one? We're going to count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's write the big number at the end there. And then we're going to look for a number that if we add them together, we'll get 8. So we have here a separate number. We have here on top and we have on the floor. So we're going to divide the number. We have here 5 flowers. So let's write 5 flowers on the first box. And then we're going to add the flowers on the floor. So there are 1, 2, 3. So let's write 3 on the box. Okay, there you go. Easy, Damai. Next, how about this one? Let's write the biggest number again. Let's count them all together. And then let's write number at the end of the box. Okay, there you go. Again, write 8 here first. And then we're going to exchange the number 3 first before 5. Okay, let's take a look at this one. 3 plus 5 equals 8. Okay. Next, we have here subtraction. How do we get subtraction? First, we need to get the big numbers. So we're going to count them again all together. The answer is 8. Okay, so first how do we get the answer? Okay, this one. First, we're going to minus the one that is still good, okay, or the flower on the pot. So we're going to write 5 and then we're going to minus. So we'll know how many flowers are on the floor. So 8 minus 5 equals 3. Okay. Next, let's count all again, all the flower, and then write it on the first box. So there are 8. So we're going to just exchange this one and this one. We can get 3. So 8 minus 3 equals 5. Okay, there you go. Next, letter B. We are going to count all first the bees. What are we going to do again? We're going to count all the honeybees or the bees and then write it on the last box. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So there are 5 honeybees. Okay, let's write 9 on the end of the box. Okay, there you go. Then we're going to half each honeybee. Okay, the group here, group A. And then we have here group B. So we're just going to write A on the first number, first box. And then we're going to write the number of letter B. How many honeybees are in letter B? There are 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're going to write 4 in the second box. Okay. Next, let's go to this part. How do we get again the number? We are going to add again the number. Let's just going to exchange. Let's put 4 there and let's write 5 here. Okay, so 4 plus 5 equals 9. Okay. Next, how about this one? How do we get the number in the box? First, we're going to get all the biggest number. What did I told you about subtraction? The big number first before the small number, naka. Okay, so big number, we have there 9. So how do we get the other side? We're going to get letter A again. This one is A. This one is letter B. Okay, so let's write A first. So let's write 5 honeybees. And so 9 minus 5 equals 4. Okay, next, let's write again the biggest number. What's the biggest number? It's number 9. So how do we get the other side? How do we get letter A? We're going to get this letter B. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's write 4 on the other side. So 9 minus 4 equals 5. Okay, there you go. Write your answers correctly, naka. Right, Suwai. Right numbers, beautiful. Next, letter C, we have this one. We have here a monkey, and he is holding 4 bananas. And he ate 3 bananas. So how do we get how do we know if how many bananas are there? So we're just going to use addition first. So what did I told you a while ago? Let's count all first the bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7, right? 7 at the end of the number here. And then we are going to look for numbers that if you add them together, we'll get 7. So let's have again the one that he's holding and the one that he ate. Okay, so let's write the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bananas that it's on his hand. Next, we're going to write 3. The one that's in the floor. Okay, so 4 plus 3 equals 7. So there are 7 bananas all together. Next, we're just going to exchange the number. 3 here, 4 here. Because if you add them, we will get 7. Okay, same number. Okay. Next, how about subtraction? Subtraction, how do we get this one? First, you're going to count all first the number, damay. Oh, let's write the biggest number in this part. So we'll get 7. So what number are we going to minus 7? So we'll get the one on the floor. The one on the floor, how do we know how many bananas are on the floor? Let's minus the one that he is holding. So let's write 4 there. So 7 minus 4 equals 3. Okay. How about the bananas that the monkey is holding? Okay, we're going to minus the bananas on the floor. So let's write all bananas. And then let's minus the one on the floor, minus 3. So 7 minus 3 equals 4. Okay, so there are 4 bananas in his hand. Okay, next. Write your answers, Naka. Next, page 95. What are we going to do? We're going to finding the unknowns. Unknown, missing in number sentence. Okay, so how many green apples are there? Okay, so how many green apples are there? We have here 1, 2, 1 and 2 green apples. So there you go. In subtraction, the second number is missing. So we minus 5 to 3. So minus 5 minus 3 equals, let's see this solution. Let's minus 5 to 3, so we will get this missing number. Okay, so 5 minus 3 equals 2. So we're going to write 2 in the box. Okay. Oops. Next, we write 2 here. So 2 is the number of green apples. So there are 2 green apples. 5 whole, 3 and the parts. Okay, so we're going to look for the other part, this part. We minus 5 minus 3, this one. So 5 minus 3 equals 2. So we'll get 2 naka. So let's fill in the blanks. We saw 5 minus 3 equals 2. So 2 is 2. There you go. Next, page 95. In addition, the first number is missing. So we minus 7 minus 3. So we'll get the missing number in addition. Okay, this is just a simple discussion, but we're going to discuss it later on. Okay, so we have here the unknown number. This one, the unknown number. We need to find the unknown number or the missing number. So what are we going to do? We're going to minus this one. This one, let's minus 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 equals 4. So let's write 4 on the star, inside the star. So 4 and on the box. So there are 4 or star is the unknown in a number sentence. We can also write any symbol such as A, B, or C for the unknown. Okay, so if you don't know, let's just write the letters of our alphabets. Next. Okay, we have here our activity done for today is about mathematics book, page 93, 94, and 95. So today we don't have homework. Okay, that's very nice to hear, Damai. We don't have homework. So you can read your books, you can answer your other books, and review your mathematics books again. Okay? So that is for today, grade 1. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day and goodbye. Take care.